Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the EVS class. Our topic is seasons and my name is Jigna Damani. Yes, today we are going to revise the whole lesson what we have studied about seasons in the last two classes. So in India we have three seasons. Summer season, which is very hot. Rainy season, which is slightly cool and we get rain in this season and it is also known as monsoon. And winter season, which is the cold season. And this is the sky which we see during the each season. The summer season, in the summer season the sky is very bright. Okay, and the sun is shining very brightly. We feel very hot because the day is very sunny, bright, and it is very hot also. But in rainy season the sky which was bright becomes dark. जो bright sky होता है वो dark हो जाता है. There are grey clouds everywhere and these grey clouds are filled with water. They dash with each other and we get rain. And sometimes we even see rainbow in the sky. Yes, and people, to keep themselves safe from water and rain, we use raincoats and umbrellas. But then the sky suddenly changes when the winter season starts. Again the sky becomes clear, but we feel cold in this season. ये season में हमें ठंडी लगती है. So now we'll study the clothes we wear in each season. In summer, when it's very hot, we wear light cotton clothes. People also use a cap or a hat, and to keep ourselves safe from the hot, bright, sunny light, we use a goggle or a glare. But in rainy season, we wear our normal clothes. But हम लोग को गीला नहीं होना है. So what do? We wear a raincoat or we use an umbrella. And we also use gloves. We wear gumboots. And some people also wear hat. And in winter season, again we wear our clothes. Okay, हमारे normal clothes तो हम लोग पहनते हैं. But हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी लगती है. Yes or no? So we wear, on top of our clothes, we wear a jacket or a sweater or an overcoat. Okay, ये हम लोग पहनते हैं. Then to keep our hands warm, we wear mittens. Now here you see, यहाँ पे जो hands में हम लोग पहनते हैं, this is known as gloves. But here see, this are known as mittens. Okay, जो wool से बनते हैं, they are called mittens. We also wear socks which are made up of wool. We use muffler. Yes, we use a monkey cap or the earmuffs or a bean cap. But ये सब जो wool से बनता है. But you know from where do we get the wool? Yes, the animal, sheep. Sheep gives us wool. And from that wool, threads are woven. And from that threads, we make sweaters and all these different woolen clothes. So now we are going to study the different months of the each season. Okay. So we have three seasons: summer season, rainy season and winter season. And we have 12 months. Yes, 12 months. January to December. If you count each and every month, we have 12 months. और ये 12 months हर एक सीजन को 4 months दिया है गॉड ने. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि समर को कम दिया, रेनी को ज्यादा दिया, विंटर को थोड़ा ही दिया, ऐसा नहीं. हर एक सीजन को there are 4 months given properly. So from February, March, April and May we have summer season. And after May, in the month of May we get vacation. So May का vacation खत्म होता है and June starts when the school also starts. So June, July, August and September. we have the rainy season. And then from October, November, December and January. Okay, these 4 months are for winter season. Now we are going to study the food for each season. And teacher told you last class also, summer season we feel hot. तो हम लोग ठंडा खाना खाते हैं. बट विंटर सीजन में हम लोग को ठंडी लगती है तो हम लोग गर्म खाना खाते हैं. Yes or no? So, and in rainy season we enjoy. So, we eat the food what we like. So, let us study one by one. Now, let us study the summer food. In summer season when it's very hot, we like to eat cold ice creams. We love to drink juices, milkshakes, lemonade, cold drinks. Yes, we also have to eat a lot of salad in this season. And in summer season, we have to drink lots and lots of water. Because हम लोग को बहुत गर्मी होती है. और गर्मी की वजह से हम लोग को क्या होता है? बहुत सारा पसीना होता है. Yes, so पसीने में सब बॉडी का पानी चला जाता है. तो हमें बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. And if we don't drink lot of water, we might fall sick also. We can also drink coconut water. And there are 2 fruits which we get in summer season. Watermelon and mango. Mango we only get in summer. Watermelon सब seasons में मिलता है. But the fresh watermelon you get in the summer season only. Then we have the rainy season or the monsoon food. So we drink hot tea with hot corn and garam pakodas or bhajiyas. Yes or no? We love to eat this. तो जब भी बारिश होती है तो पापा क्या करते हैं? पापा मम्मी को बोलते हैं, यस चलो भजिया बनाओ, हम सब भजिया खाएंगे या फिर वड़ा खाएंगे. यस और नो? पकोड़ा बनाओ. सो बिकॉज इन दिस सीजन व्हेन इट्स रेनिंग, पकोड़े खाने में बहुत ज्यादा मजा आता है. नाउ लेट अस स्टडी द फूड फॉर द विंटर सीजन. So in winter season we get fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. So we should eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables in the winter season. You get the fresh leafy vegetables like spinach, palak, that is palak. Then you get methi, that is fenugreek, coriander, kothmir. Yes, you get the fresh leafy vegetables. Then you get green peas, जो वटाना होता है, that also you get very nice and cheap vatanas, that is a green peas in winter season. Same way apples and red carrots, these are some vegetables and some fruits which you only get in winter season. Then when winter season is very cold, we like to drink hot soup. Yes or no? Or hot tea and coffee also. So this is your home assignment now. You are going to write the 3 seasons, and ये तो 3 seasons नहीं है, उसके साथ how are the 3 seasons कैसे होते हैं, you are going to write down. Summer season is hot season, rainy season is known as monsoon, and winter season is known as the cold season. ये पूरा एक पेज में आएगा. The second page will be clothes in each season. Summer season we wear cotton clothes, rainy season we use umbrella or raincoat, and winter season we use woolen clothes. So my dear children, thank you so much. Take care of yourself, take care of your parents. You're going to stay home and stay safe. Teacher misses you a lot. Bye bye. Have a nice day.